The students that we have are just so passionate about learning more, building their skill sets, building a toolbox to be able to provide the appropriate education that their students need to have. It's great that we get to sort of watch them, find their voice, find the agency that they need to have, and to be confident to advocate for the students, and then also just to be able to talk about and utilize and employ the strategies that they're learning in the classroom to meet the diverse range of needs that their students have. I would want you to know that coming into the program, it isn't just about special education, but it is about, I guess, espousing a philosophy of inclusivity that runs deep in our society, in understanding that what you learn with your strategies and approaches and techniques can help you with a range of students, not just those students who have been diagnosed or classified with a disability. My favorite class is the language learning disability class, and I get to teach that in the Masters of Literacy program and also in the Masters of Special Ed program. So the lens of each of those classes is a little bit different based on the fact that literacy specialists have to learn certain skills and special education teachers have to learn certain skills. And so we kind of craft each of those separate courses to meet the needs of those professionals. I'm investigating right now with a new colleague, Joy Pansari, and what we're looking at is how can we utilize artificial intelligence to create supplemental resources, adapted curriculum, supplanted resources. With AI, you can put a text into the AI. When you have the digital text, you can put that right into an AI generator and ask it to make it on a second grade level, or simplify the vocabulary, or do different things to simplify that text. And so we're sort of looking at ways that we can support teachers and ways that we can actually support our own students in their practice to use AI in an ethical and a smart way, not to cheat the system, but to create really effective strategies and resources to be able to support students. I think you should choose Roberts because there's flexibility in your education. Again, the way that we are running our programs with either our complete online programs and the asynchronous programs, we have a lot of structure built into those so that you, as a person, you know exactly what you're getting into. As you move through your courses, things don't change, deadlines don't change. There's a lot of different ways that we use the tools that we use, but your deadlines for using those tools are always the same, so you can really plan out how you're going to manage things.